In refinish, color accuracy is key. The new version of the URKIMIX PRO software includes an advanced feature that identifies and quantifies aluminum particles in paints. Thanks to this new algorithm, the software provides a unique tool for achieving precise color matching with different metallic particle contents. In this video, we will explain step by step how to use this new functionality so you can make the most of it. The first step is to perform a measurement with the spectrophotometer. It is important to note that these types of devices have limitations when it comes to detecting and distinguishing aluminum particles in paints. In the software, go to the colorimetry menu and search for the color by entering the manufacturer and color code. In this case, we will use the example Nissan KAD. To activate the new functionality, you must perform a specific search by manufacturer and color code. Once the search is complete, the software will display in the upper left part of the screen the three colors that best match the analyzed sample. Each of these results includes the optimized color recommended by the software, the theoretical size of the metallic particle, the match percentage with the original sample. These data will help you determine which option best matches the color you need to reproduce. Regarding metallic particles, the system assigns an identification number from 1 to 7, corresponding to our aluminum categories, which are activated after selecting the manufacturer and color code. At the top of the screen, you can change the selected color result. When doing so, the software automatically recalculates the values and adjusts the samples and formulas on the right side of the screen, as well as the particle size for that color. You can refine the search by filtering by particle size using the selector, which will show the different existing particles within the result set. By selecting a size, the software will filter the results and display the three best matches that contain the selected particle. Additionally, you can consult the particle catalog to visually compare different sizes before making a decision. For an even more precise analysis, you can add all the options you want to evaluate to the particle comparator. Once all the desired options have been added, access the comparator by clicking the View button. On the comparator screen, you will find two main areas. On the left, the color measurement taken with the spectrophotometer is displayed with the option to apply a different particle size to compare it with the selected result. This allows you to determine whether the measured part may have a different particle size. On the right, the selected option for comparison appears with the particle size defined by the formula. At the bottom, you will find the rest of the added options, which can be viewed in this same area by simply clicking on them. Additionally, on this same screen, you can view the samples in 3 dimensions, both in static mode, to observe them from different angles, and in dynamic mode, simulating the effect of light on the painted surface. This helps to more accurately evaluate the behavior of the color under different lighting conditions. With this new functionality, you will achieve a much more precise color match for metallic finishes.